Whoa, there she goes. I'm gonna catch you, though. I'm gonna catch you. Oh, good job. Hey, assistant, who are we gonna find?
Puppy dog pals and Paw Patrol.
That's right, they escaped. Those silly puppies. They're hiding from us. Let's see if we can go find them, okay?
Okay.
So down from, hey, that's a giant anthill, right?
Yeah, it's like life size.
Wait a minute, can you go through there?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's a tunnel.
Wow, look at that.
The middle.
All right, let's go find them, okay?
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, assistant, here we go. We gotta find them.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that was a fun net. All right, so we've gotta find them. So they've gotta be here someplace.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's see, where do you think they are?
Let's check up here.
So you're gonna go all the way up here. Okay. Anything? Wait a second, sis, I don't see anything.
Here I am.
All right.
Okay, go over here.
Okay.
Look, I see something green.
What do you see? You found Rocky.
Right.
Good job. You found Rocky from
Paw Patrol.
Oh, Paw Patrol. That's right. So let's see, Rocky. So we found Rocky. So wait a minute. This log is hollowed out, isn't it? It's kind of hard to see. Okay, so let's go down this hollowed out tree, okay?
Okay.
You think you can make it down there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Whoa. Wait a minute. Where are you at?
Right here.
You going all the way down? So here's the tree. Where did the assistant go?
Right here.
Right where? Oh, there you are. Whoa. All right, so we'll see if we can find anyone else, okay?
Okay, let's go this way.
Let's go this way.
Hey, there's a light brown something right here.
What is that? You found
Rolly.
You found Rolly from Puppy Dog Pals, right?
Right.
So we found Rolly and Rocky. Hey, they both start with the letter R, right?
Right. That must mean A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
So we found Rolly and Rocky. Hey, you know what? We gotta keep looking, right?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Where could they be? There's a bridge you want to cross. Let's see. Should you go up the slide?
Sure.
I think Rolly.
Try to run. Can't make it.
Oh, okay.
I'll try again.
Try one more time. Oh, good job. Let's keep looking, okay?
Okay.
Hey, assistant, what are you doing?
I'm gonna ride down a zip line.
Zip line. Really?
Yep.
Whoa, there she goes. I'm gonna catch you, though. I'm gonna catch you. Oh, good job. What are you doing? You're going backwards.
I know.
That's pretty fun. Okay, assistant, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go down a zip line.
You're gonna go down the zip line?
Yeah.
Ready, set, and go!
Try to catch me. No.
I can't! Too fast! Whoa! No, you're going backwards! Ah, you're gonna get me! Good job. High five. All right, good job. Let's keep looking.
Okay.
Okay, assistant. Hey, this is a pretty fun. You're on the teeter-totter.
Jumping.
So, wait a minute. Am I big enough for you to... We gotta keep looking, though. So you rode all kinds of fun things. Now we gotta find other members. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's look under this bridge.
Yeah, what's under the bridge?
Nothing.
Nothing there. Let's check on this other side, okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute, what's under the bridge, assistant?
Oh, right.
Is there anything? You see it?
Nope.
Nothing there.
Hey, look.
You found... Wait a minute, who's that?
It's rubble.
Rubble on the double. Good job. He was just sitting there in the tree, right? Right on the double.
Look. He's probably working on this tree. Like,
He probably was working on the tree, right? All right, let me see Rubble, and we'll see if we can find anybody else, okay?
okay.
So we got Rubble. Let's keep going. Let's see. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Okay, so let's look and see what you can find.
Okay. the balance beam.
Going across the balance beam. Good job. Now onto the rocks.
Now there's a tunnel.
A tunnel? I'm gonna go through the tunnel too. Assistant, where am I at? Assistant! Assistant!
You're right there.
And now there's a big tree. Hey, look down there!
Okay,
Right there, I see something.
it's Chase.
It's Chase! Wow! Let's see. So Chase is on the case, right?
Right.
Hey, Chase! So you found Chase, we found Rubble, we found Rocky and Rolly.
Right, and if I get this one out, his tennis ball shoots.
Wow! Alright, well we gotta keep looking, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, assistant. So we found a bunch of characters, but we still have more to find, right?
Right.
So we gotta find Sky, we gotta find, let's see,
Marshall.
Marshall, and we've gotta find
On
Bingo. Right?
Right, let's go.
Let's keep going.
Hey, look. There's a swing that swings.
Hey, it's swinging. Who's that? Wait a minute.
It's Sky.
Sky was in the swing. Why would she swing? She can just fly. Isn't that silly?
Woo.
She can fly through the sky.
Not gonna.
All right, so we found Sky. Let's keep looking, okay?
Okay.
Let's go over that way.
It's a swing.
More swings. Hey, look, there's instruments over here. Do you want to play them?
Sure. Let's go.
Let's go. Well, look at all these cool things. Okay, assistant, show me how you can play.
Okay. I think it'll work better on this side.
So it's a xylophone, right?
Right.
That's pretty cool. Hey, look, there's more instruments over here. Let's try this one right here.
Okay. I think you have to grab some sticks for
I think that's just hand drums, right? You play music with your hands. You don't lick it.
I was just looking at it.
Oh, you were looking at it. So those are hand drums, and then look at right here. This is pretty cool.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay. It almost looks like a giant organ.
Uh-huh.
I think if you hold down further, like right here. Right? Hey, go all the way across like you're going bling. Whoa, try that the other way now.
This way?
Yeah, because they're different lengths. So that way they're different frequencies of sound. That's it, you got
Keep
one more
missing
across.
it.
That's it.
I think it'll work better with this one.
Maybe so. Good job. Hey, more drones over here. Oh, those are fun. And then what are these over here?
They're giant.
Hey, look, somebody's down there.
It's Marshall.
You found Marshall. Wow, good
And
job.
look,
Yeah, those are each pipes are different heights, aren't they? So they make a different
each pipes
sound.
are different heights.
And so you found, who's that?
Marshall.
Marshall from,
Paw Patrol.
oh, not Puppy Dog Pals?
Nope. Ooh, I'm trying to see if I can get him up there.
Oh, all right. So we've got to find, we found,
I think we just have to find Bingo.
I think we've got to find Bingo, right?
Right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's find Bingo. Oh, okay. So we looked through the park. I think we've got to go on our trails now to find Bingo, right?
Right.
He got a little bit further back than the rest of them. Oh, assistant, do you think you can cross that stream?
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa, you made it. I don't know if I can make it though.
You're a lot taller than me, so.
I know. I'm gonna try. Oh, oh. Whoa.
Oh,
Well, that was close. All right. Now, wait a minute. You gotta go across those logs?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Ooh.
Be careful. Did you make it?
I made it.
All right, now I've got to try to make it. All right, ready? Whoa, I think I've got it so far. I made it!
You made it!
All right. How lucky of us. All right, let's keep going through to see if we can find bingo.
Okay. Hey, look.
Hey, look at what?
It's on that tree.
Oh, it's a question. I bet you bingo left it for us to find him, right?
Right. It's like a trail. It's toast.
Toast. Oh, it's a little Shopkin Squishmallow.
It's that toast.
Wow. Can I eat it? No, it's not
No.
real food, right?
It's just supposed to be a squishy.
Oh, and I can squish his eyes. Hi there. All right, so we found our Squish-Delish. Now we still got to find bingo, right?
Right. This is a weird thing. Right.
That's a funny looking tree, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going. All right, let's keep going that way, right?
Right. Let's go. We gotta follow the trail. Follow the trail. Follow the trail.
So we're in a park, and we like coming to parks, don't we?
Yeah, I love coming to parks.
We like to have fun, we play,
And most importantly, we spend time with our family.
and you know what, sister? You make a lot of friends when we come to the park, right?
Right.
All right, so, now what's your favorite thing at this park? Was it the zip line?
I like the zip line. That's probably the most fun about this park.
For people at home, do you have a park with a zip line near you? They're pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
Just keep following the trail.
Following the trail. So this is actually called going on a hike, right? We're just going on a little hike together, and we've hidden some toys, or some toys that are hidden from us, so that we can try to find them.
Let's go this way.
Yeah. Oh, good idea. We're just hiking in the woods.
Oh.
What?
Whoa. I see something.
What do you see? What do you see, assistant?
I see bingo
You see him where?
in this tunnel.
Oh, look! That was a great hiding spot, wasn't it? Right there. At the top. You put him back where he was hiding at?
Right there.
He was right there. It was like he was staring right at us, right?
Right.
So that is where bingo was hiding. All right, you can grab him now. Pretty neat. All right, so we found all the members of Paw Patrol.
And puppy dog pals.
So who do you think was hiding the best?
I think I like Bingo's the best.
He had a good spot, didn't he? People at home, what do you think? Have your parents leave a comment and let us know, right?
Right.
All right, everyone, we hope you had a lot of fun hiding with us and playing hide and go seek in the park and on a hike.
Yeah. Hope you have a great day. Bye.
Everyone. Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.